Hello students. So today the question that is given to us is asking what is beekeeping and why it is beneficial to a farmer to practice apiculture along with the farming. Okay. So now first of all we are talking about this particular process called beekeeping. So beekeeping is also known as the apiculture. Okay. Because you are talking about bees and the scientific name for the bees is apis. Okay. So that is how we get the term apiculture, and it is the practice of rearing, caring and management of honeybees on a large scale for obtaining honey, beeswax and royal jelly. I mean, again, royal jelly you will get it at a very certain point and at a very less amount, but again, this is very useful for us as well. So this is like the products, I can say, like what is honey, bee and royal jelly, you can consider them as the products. And this is why you will try to, or the farmers are try to farm the what you can say, or taking care of the honeybees, okay, or doing the apiculture, I can say, because they will get some extra product as well. Like they are doing the farming, along with the farming what they are doing is they are taking care of this bee culture as well, or the apiculture as well. Now what are the benefits that they are getting from it? So here are the three benefits that we can talk about is, first of all, bees help in pollination. How do they help in pollination? So bee requires nectar. So this is a very good cycle that you need to understand. So bees require nectar, okay, and nectar is something which is present in flowers. Now whenever bee tries to sit in a flowers, what it simply do is it basically attach the pollen into its hind legs, and once the pollen is attached to the bees, basically that will involve in the process of what you can say, pollination. And that's how the bees involve in a pollination. Like this bee will again sits on some other flower, okay, and once this bee sits on the another flower, whatever the pollen is attached to its leg will transfer to that flower, and that's how the pollination keeps on happening. Okay, and that is why the plants have this bright color and this smell in them to attract the bees. So brighter the color, the more the bees are attracted. The brighter the smell, the more the bees, the I mean the stronger the smell, I can say, the more the bees are attracted. That is why plants or the flowers particularly looks like this. Okay, now beekeeping is something which is very low investment and generates additional income. Like only investment is you have to make sure the beehive that you are creating, okay, or what you can say, the way we can create the beehive is something that you need to be taken care of. That's it. There is no or nothing else you have to do, because again, food is something that you are getting, or you are giving the food to the bees through the farming. Okay, so there is nothing else you have to do. Apart from that, the products are very useful, which is like you are getting honey as well as beeswax, royal jelly and bee venom, and all of them have the industrial usage as well. All of them has a medicinal purposes and well. So again, this is like a extra income that a farmer can actually utilize. But the farmer has to be make sure that he has such kind of a crop where he is able to like grow plants where the good flowers or like brighter or smell flowers are there. Like a very good example that can be taken here is the what you can say, mustard plant. Okay, so mustard plant has this bright yellow flower, so which is like very attractive for the bees. So this is like, I can say, that's how the farmer who is doing the farming for mustard can also utilize the beekeeping or the apiculture. So I hope this answer will help you. Thank you.